Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.